This is Brooksville. Established in 1856, the city of Brooksville was settled by 4 families. Enriched in history, old buildings from an earlier time still stand, dating back to the late 1800s. Some of us grew up here with deep family roots. Streets paved with brick, shops new with an old feel. Murals and paintings line buildings to tell the tale of our history, spanning more than a century. Others enveloped by a quaint town. You can still see the history as you walk through downtown Brooksville. Although many of us didn't grow up here, we love this town. And that's to say that this is our home. This is Brooksville.